Hello, I'm Miss Kelly. Today's your test. What's your name?
My name is
How old are you?
seven
Where are you from? I'm from.
from
Okay. How are you today? How are you today? I'm. Okay. What have you got in your bag? I've got. I've got.
initial
Mm-hmm. I've got. I've got. Okay. Is it a pen?
and
Yes, it is, or no, it isn't. Is it a pen?
that is a
Okay. Is it a pencil?
no it
No, it isn't.
no it is
Very good. What is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy? My favorite toy is. What color is your toy? What color is your toy? Is your toy big or small? Okay. What is this? What is this? What is this? What are these? What are these? What are these? Okay. How many eyes has the purple monster got? How many eyes has the purple monster got? One. Okay. How many legs has the green monster got? Legs. Okay, let's count. One, two. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.